Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will learn about combined additional option price and option rules. Let's talk about key features and benefits. Combined option price will allow you to import pricing by taking size, quantity, and additional option price in a combination. There are various filters which will help you to find your product better and download all its size options and additional options in the form of an Excel sheet. This will reduce down the effort of tracking each product option and change its price. Let's have a look into the admin. So first of all, we need to go to the product and additional option, click on combine option price, and here are all the options available. And here we need to create a group name, and we are giving this as group one. And now we need to select the options which are affecting the price. So we will select a default option, and here we can see all the common price for all size available, and also we can put the pricing based on the size. And also we have quantity based filter and additional option filters as well. So suppose we are taking one size, and when we click on search, and then we will click on download file button, and we will have the Excel file. So as you can see over here, we have the Excel file downloaded, and here we can see the attribute title section where we can see all the combination, and in the n column we have to put the pricing. So suppose here we need to put the combined option pricing, so we are taking some values to put the price. So here after entering the values, we will save the file. So after uploading the price, we need to click on product price button, and here we need to select the same option which we have selected while downloading the file. So here we are selecting option price as size based and click on upload file button and upload the file from the system. So here you can see the records is uploaded, and now click on import button and click on OK. So our record is updated successfully, and now here we can click on search button, and our pricing, as you can see, is reflecting over here. So in this way you can upload the combined option price for more sizes available. And now comes up on the option rules. So you can apply the option rule based on your requirement. So here we have some rules based on size and quantity, size additional option, and size quantity additional option base. So here we are taking size and quantity based additional option, where we are selecting the size and quantity specific quantity, and here we can hide the below option which we want to hide on selection of above. So after selecting this, we have to click on save button. So similarly we can add more option rules. And when we go to the storefront, so here you can see when we select quantity greater than or equal to 1500, the system will hide the options which we were selected, and if the quantity is less than 1500, it will show the same. Thank you for watching this video. In case of any further concern, feel free to connect with us. Have a nice day.